What is exercise? From the online dictionary, it means activity requiring physical effort carried out to sustain or improve health and fitness. Exercising. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think about exercising? Normally, we think of a gym, which has free weights, machines, balls, stretch bands, and classes. You don't have to go to a gym to work out. For example, parking farther away from the building in a parking lot, gardening, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, stretching at the office, walking after lunch. You can track the distance walked and calories burned using the app MapMyFitness. Here is an exercise to find out your comfortable walking speed. Take a measuring tape and make two lines 10 yards apart. As you are doing this, think about the time of day and the clothes you normally wear during the day, and think about a comfortable walking pace that you can do in those clothes at that time that will allow you to not sweat hard. At a comfortable walking pace, time how long it takes you to walk the 10 yards. Before you cross the first tape line, start the timer and walk at your comfortable pace. When you reach the second line of tape, stop the stopwatch and notice how long it takes you. This gives you your walking speed. Using the time it took you to walk, for example, if it took you 9 seconds, then you are walking at 2.3 miles per hour. Then use the graph above to determine your personal walking speed. The following graph shows you miles walked. How many calories? If you weigh about 150 lb and are walking 2.5 miles per hour for 15 minutes, you will burn about 55 calories. At home or office exercises. Now that you have been parking your car farther away in the parking lot, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, and walking during your lunch break, what else can you begin incorporating into your life at home or at the office to prevent carpal tunnel syndrome, neck pain, lower back pain, and to promote better physical health? Here are some examples. Seated side crunch, overarm stretch, single or double leg lift, extended or bent, shoulder roll, wrist rotation, head roll, chair dip, chair pigeon. Seated side crunches. Put your arms above your head together and bend to one side, then the other. Overarm stretches. Interlock your fingers in front of you and then stretch them above your head. Single or double leg lifts extended or bent. The left picture shows one leg lift at a time alternating. The right picture is showing both legs at the same time lifted. Shoulder rolls. Roll the shoulders clockwise a few times, then counterclockwise. Wrist rotations both directions. Make a circle with your wrist going clockwise a few times, then counterclockwise. Head rolls. Make a circle with your head going clockwise a few times, then counterclockwise. Chair dip. Scoot off your chair and put your hands on the edge of the chair. Push up and down. Chair pigeons. Sit up tall. Put the right ankle on the left knee. Slowly bend forward, keeping your back flat. Hold for a few seconds. Do the same with the other leg. As mentioned in the slides above, there are simple ways to exercise, which do not require the use of a gym. These exercises will take about 15 minutes or less. They can be incorporated into your daily life at work, school, or in your home. These simple exercises, which require physical effort, if performed regularly throughout your day, will improve your health and fitness. They will also make your body leaner and increase your energy. If you are interested in tracking your distance, time, route, and calories burned, download the free MapMyFitness app to your phone. If you would like the PowerPoint or are interested in learning more about how to incorporate simple exercises into your life, email Gertrude at simpleexercises@youcandoit.com.